Future of events. It's fully automated.
Imagine thousands of international runners needing urgent visa checks days before the big race, or countless lost race kit inquiries flooding your team. Traditional support buckles under this pressure.
The AI agent handled over 90% of participant needs instantly.
Runners get frustrated. Organizers get overwhelmed.
The Marathon Agent, built for speed and efficiency. An international runner uploads their ID. Lost your race kit? No problem. A few taps, and the agent starts the replacement process automatically.
The Marathon Agent is a prime example, solving critical pain points for event organizers and creating exceptional experiences for participants. This is the power of intelligent automation, and we're just getting started.